Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and on this video I'll be showing you how you can promote Clickbank products online for free without any upfront investments except for hard work and time. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome, and on here I'll be showing you various ways of making money online and building multiple streams of passive income. I'll also be documenting my own journey to financial freedom, and I'll be sharing what I learned along the way so that we can all grow and learn together. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please consider subscribing to the channel and ticking the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. There are many different platforms you can use to promote Clickbank products, and Twitter just happens to be one that not many people think about when they get into affiliate marketing. First of all, you need to create a niche account that is related to your product, as you want to grow your following with people that are actually interested in your product. So for example, if you're promoting a fitness product, your account will be one which is about fitness. The good thing about Twitter is that it allows you to place your affiliate link in numerous places, for example your profile, in your tweet, and in the DM section. So the main three things that we're going to be covering today is commenting, value threads, and bonuses. So what you want to do is try and grow your audience by commenting on similar pages as yours and then leaving valuable comments that add to the original tweet. So the main idea is that you want people to make their way back to your profile and click on the links on your profile and other tweets. An example of a good tweet is the following. You want to leave a comment that makes people think or relate to you. You are then more likely to get them to check out your own profile. Next, you want to start giving value on your own wall. A very effective way is by creating what is known as a thread. On Twitter, you are limited to around 60 characters, so you need to create a series of linked tweets that flow in chronological order. For example, you can do a thread on 5 tips to help you lose belly fat. Then you can create 5 consecutive tweets with your 5 steps, and at the end you can say something like, if you want a step-by-step guide to getting your dream body, then follow the link below. Then you can add your affiliate link. Next, we can then create offer tweets where you're promoting your affiliate link directly, and then you can add bonuses. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you could also include a free recipe ebook. This not only gets the reader interested in your offer, but now they want to know what the bonus is too. You can create a bonus yourself, or you can download ready-made bonuses that you can give away over and over again. These are called private label products, or PLR products, and you can find many examples online, such as this website where you can find thousands of products to give away as bonuses. Next up, we have blogging. Now I know many people don't have the capital to start a website from scratch. However, there are free alternatives, such as using Medium and Google's very own Sites feature. So with this method, you can create product reviews which link back to your Clickbank product. The most effective use of this method will be launch jacking. I've created a whole video on this method which I will leave a link to somewhere in this video. But simply, launch jacking is a strategy where you take advantage of a new product launch to write up a review of that particular item in order to attract online customers. When a new product is launched, there's always a lot of buzz and lots of people searching for the item online. So you'd come over to a website such as Munchai and look for all of the product coming out in the next days and weeks. I would go through here and choose a few of the products that look good and that are launching in around 1 to 2 weeks time. This will give you enough time to rank on Google. Then you can use either Medium or Google Sites to write your review article. And I've actually seen articles published using Google Sites and Medium outrank traditional sites for some products. So if you just come over to Google and search for this product, we can see that people reviewing this product on Medium have the first 2 spots. And considering this is on the big launch section, they can expect to make some pretty decent commissions. If you want more information about how to structure your review, then check out my launch jacking guide, which again should be somewhere on this video. Next, we have Facebook. So another way to promote your Clickbank products for free is utilizing Facebook groups. Now I don't mean to spam your links everywhere, as you will end up getting blocked or kicked out of the groups you're in. So after you have your product, simply come over to Facebook and search for related groups. Let us use this children's reading program. So I would search for parenting tips or kids reading help or something along those lines. Then I would start to engage in the groups and add value. Maybe share some cool tips you've learned or free worksheets or so on. Then after you have given some value and the people start to see your posts, then you can make a value post about children's education, and at the end you can ask if anyone would like some more information and just ask them to comment info below. Then you can message each person who's interested. The key here is giving out more than you take. Be known in a group for giving great advice and free resources. Then when you drop a post about a new program which you think would help, nobody will feel as if it's spam. You just need to have patience and be creative. You could even automate the whole process by using a chatbot such as ManyChat, which would allow you to create a series of messages. messages. This would be great if you offer something free and then later on in the message series you can have it send them a message with your affiliate link. In this way you'll be growing your messenger list, which you can use to promote related offers in the future. Our next method is using the Pinterest platform. So Pinterest is not just a social media platform, rather is also a search engine. People come over to Pinterest to search for ideas and for information. So in this method what you'll be doing is creating pins, which are vertical pictures with information that leads to another website when clicked. So you need to create your Pinterest account around a specific niche or product you have in mind. Next, you'll be searching for similar accounts and start to add their followers. When you do this, a percentage of these people will start to follow you back. This percentage can range from 10 to 30%. So if you follow 100 people, 30 people will follow you back. Then whenever you post a pin, not only will you be found due to the search feature, but now your followers will see the pins too. You can then create boards which are used to segment your pins according to the topic. For example, if you have a health and fitness offer to promote, you can have a board on healthy recipes, a board on home workouts, and so on. You should aim to have at least 5 to 10 different boards. To create your pins, you can use Canva to easily put something together, and they even have templates that you can use. So you want to make the image eye-catching and similar to other successful pins in your niche. Then it's important to write a good title and description that contains all of your keywords that you want your pin to show up for in search, such as how to lose weight, weight loss, healthy recipes, and so on. And in this section you can add your affiliate link. If Pinterest blocks your link, you would then need to use a landing page or a link cloaker. You can create a free landing page using the Wix website. And again, you can find other tutorials on YouTube on how you can use Wix to create a landing page. Another great thing about Pinterest is the group board feature. These are boards created by someone who allows collaborators to pin to the board also. This gives your pins exposure to thousands of more Pinterest users in your niche. So as you build up your account, you will start to get more traffic and hopefully sales. Lastly, we have Quora. Quora is an online community of people providing answers to questions. People from around the world visit Quora to ask questions from a community of people who answer them. Google loves showing web pages that answer questions, so naturally, as Quora has such a high amount of questions and answers, it ranks very well. This has led for the site to be one of the top most visited sites in the world. The reason that you should be interested in all of this is that there are so many opportunities to drive traffic to your affiliate offer. You will mainly do this by answering questions and including your affiliate link in the answer, and also having your link in your profile page. Firstly, you will need your product and niche. So once you know what you'll be promoting, it's time to search up questions that directly relate to your offer. For example, if you're promoting a keto diet program, you can look up questions relating to what is keto, keto diet tips, and so on. Look at some of the top answers and you can get an idea of how to write a successful answer. Usually, the answer, which is highly rated, is very detailed, including images, and most importantly, actually answers the question. So in this example, you can research all the information from other answers and articles online. Then you can include your link within the text, such as saying, for a full beginner keto friendly program, click here. You just need to be careful where you place your link and not to make it look too spammy. Now an important point to note is that Quora does not allow you to directly link to your Clickbank offer. So you will need to create a landing page that redirects to your offer, or you can create an article on Medium and then directly link to your program from there. So what you would want to do is just try and find related questions to your product and niche and then answer them. If you get stuck for questions people may ask, you can use the related section over here to find similar questions. Another way to find questions is using the website answerthepublic.com. All you need to do is insert a seed question and it will generate a bunch of related questions that people are actually asking on Google and online. Then simply come back to Quora and search for those questions and answer them to the best of your ability. You will find that once you keep answering more and more questions, you will actually start to build up the authority of your account and people will start to take your advice and recommendations seriously. If you want me to go into more detail about any of these methods, then leave me a comment below and I'll make a dedicated video on it. And if you're interested in learning the fundamental skills and techniques that will enable you to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level, then check out the 15-day business builder training. You'll find out how hundreds of other people just like you and me are able to take advantage of these techniques and generate high-ticket passive incomes through their affiliate marketing business. So if you're interested, then click the link in the description and it will take you through to this training. Thanks for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.